Thanks for joining Crowdfunding by BackerKit. Let's get started. Begin by setting up your new project. Don't worry too much about the details, you'll always be able to change them later. The most important step is getting your teaser page listed. Here is your Getting Started page, a step-by-step guide to help you with your pre-launch work. It's important to create a teaser page and announce your upcoming project. A teaser page is the best way to grow your email list. We recommend giving yourself plenty of time to promote your campaign and collect email addresses long before you hit that launch button. All successful creators have one thing in common: a strong email list. It takes just a few moments to build your teaser page and list it on BackerKit. Add a main image that clearly shows what your project is about, even if you only have mockups or prototypes. Add a few lines outlining your project, who it's for, and how it benefits them. Add more photos if you have them. You can even embed videos. After saving, scroll back to the top to publish your teaser page. Now your project will be listed on our Coming Soon section of BackerKit's homepage. If you have any questions, please email us at crowdfunding@backerkit.com. Thanks.